Y'all, it's raining, but I don't even care. I had to come out here and shoot this video just really quick. So that we could let you guys know like what's going on with the journey. So we're excited for a new adventure. We've got these going. We have been talking about mushrooms for a really long time. We've been dreaming about the day that we would have our own logs in the forest. Well, today is the day. They are all up. We got our shiitake plug spun from Field and Forest Products, and it's a very small family operation. We love what they did. It was pre-inoculated plugs, and it came, this kit that we ordered came with the drill bit, the stopper, so the holes were exactly the right size. The wax that came in this kit was amazing. I couldn't more highly recommend just the way they had this kit laid out. The instructions were very detailed. They had lots of information, great customer service, and so we have gotten these plugged. We are so excited. These logs came from the property. We were felling some trees anyway. We decided it was time to just jump in, and so we did. And this is what we came up with. The kit that we purchased should have done 20 logs. We actually got 24 out of it. So that's because our logs were in varying lengths just because of like different breaks and things. And so I think that was an average, the 20. So we got 24, we're super stoked. We cannot wait to show you guys like a how-to on how we have done this. And when spring comes and we start to get a yield, we're gonna bring you guys along for like how much our yield is, how well they do, all of that stuff, and give like a really good review. We've been clearing out some of our forest here because we want to expand this plot for sure. And I'm just so excited. We had to throw this video up today because it's finally done. We'll have more mushrooms to come. We still have dreams of creating some different rooms and growing mushrooms in bags and different varieties we want to try and lots of different stuff. So this is our shiitake grove here, our little shiitake stand. We're going to be expanding this as we move along into fall, and I can't wait to bring you guys along for that. So rain or shine, we've got lots to do, and I'm excited to share all of it with you guys. So thank you so much for stopping by. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, my friends.